Métete. Métete. What are you watching?
YouTube.
No, come on YouTube.
No satellite, no annual contract.
Sherlock Gnome.
Now,
Sherlock Gnome.
Sherlock Gnomes.
Okay, what movie did you guys watch? Sherlock Gnomes.
Sherlock Gnomes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
What part did you like?
I like the middle.
The what?
The middle.
The middle part? Okay.
I like the middle part.
Okay. Okay.
No, I like the end part.
The end part?
I like the end where
Where they were happy at the end?
I like the end part because they were kissing.
You like it because they were kissing? Who was your favorite character?
The girl.
The girl? Juliet?
Juliet.
Idrissa?
I like Juliet.
Juliet. And then you, which one's your favorite character?
Sherlock.
Sherlock? And then Zeno?
Sherlock.
Sherlock? Yeah, okay, so thumbs up or thumbs down? Up, 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 up. Okay, everybody liked it. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.